Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download ChatGPT on your computer. But before that, if you are new, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's proceed with today's video. First, you have to go to chat.openai.com. Once you are there, you want to click this three-dot icon at the top right corner, then scroll down and click on More Tools. Then you want to click on Create Shortcut. Then right there, just type ChatGPT. Then click Create. And you're done. If you are on a Mac laptop, Mac computer, or Windows PC, the process is just the same. Just go back to your home screen and there you can find your ChatGPT. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.